Okay, welcome back. This is example 4 for Mr. Labelle's PreAP geometry class on the first section of trigonometry in the notes. And the example 4, if you're looking at the PowerPoint, it reads, to the nearest meter, find the height of a right triangle if one acute angle is 35 degrees and the adjacent side to that angle is 24 meters. Okay, so we need to find h in our picture here. So we know we're dealing with 35 degrees, and we have to decide this over here is the side opposite 35 degrees, and this is the adjacent. So which one of our trig ratios would work? Well, let's write them down. So, whoops, a little too high. So, ka, toa. Okay, which one has opposite and adjacent? Which has opposite and adjacent? So, well, it looks like this one does here, so that means we're going to use the tangent. Okay, so we don't need this one, we don't need this one, so we're going to need the tangent, and the angle is tangent of what? 35 degrees. And we take the opposite, which is the hypotenuse, over the adjacent, which is 24, and we're good to go. Now the problem is, I don't know what the tangent of 35 is. So I get my calculator out, and I have to be really careful with the calculators that I'm in degree mode. So I want to make sure I'm in degree mode, if otherwise you'll get a completely wrong answer. So this is what you got to make sure you do. And to do that, if you're using a TI 83 plus or 84 or something like that, you're going to go mode. We'll turn on the calculator first, go mode, and you're going to go down to the third line. It says radian or degree. Highlight degree and press enter. Now I'm in degree mode. And I can go second mode, or second, which is quit, and I'm back out of the screen. So this is for the TI-83. So you press mode, you go to the third line, and you highlight degree and press enter. And that will do this. That will get you to where you want to go. Okay, so I've done that, and so I'm going to cross multiply this. Now, let me erase some extra stuff we don't need. Right here. Okay. Any fraction, this is just, tangent is just a number. Okay? Tangent is just some number, and tangent of 35 is just some number, so I'm going to put it over 1. Now when I cross multiply, h times 1 is h, and I cross multiply here, I have tan 35 degrees times 24. And I can just type this into the calculator, and I will get h equals, and I'm doing that right now, tan 35 times 24 is 16, and I'd go about 3 decimal places, except that the problem asks for to the nearest meter. So it's 16.8, so that's about 17 meters is what they want as an answer. So the height of that triangle, this is about 17 meters. There's your answer.